So we are in Intelepeer. Um, my name is Nelson Medina. I'm a solution engineer, and my coworker Cora Brito, she's an implementation engineer. So we, as an Intelepeer, we have our platform. It's called CPaaS, right? And what we do with CPaaS, and we call it CPaaS 2.0, because we do not need any code or low code or no code in order to uh, put together different applications via SMS or voice or any other thing that you want to do, right? Um, our software uh, comprises of various applications. We have Insights is uh, our to look all the data that we're using. Engage is our application that we use for massive or SMS and voice enabling a channel. And SmartFlow is our main software, where you can build custom omni-channel communication workflows. Um, so just to give you guys a really quick sample of how to log in into our software and start working, we created an account for everybody in the TADHack to log in. They can go to www.atmosphereandtelepeer.com/login. Username is going to be atmosphere at gmail, and the password is going to be Andromeda with a zero where the O is, right? And we're going to go really quick there. And we're going to, once you sign in, you're going to be presented with this page, Atmosphere portal. And here on the left, we're going to have all of our applications. We have our dashboards, your numbers, and your SmartFlows applications and Engage applications. So on SmartFlows is where you're going to be presented with a dashboard where all your SmartFlows are going to be. You can go here, create, and the plus sign. We're going to have templates and flows. On templates, obviously, you're going to have our basic templates where you SMS multiple entries, calling survey, SMS multiple language translations, or anything, right? So once you click it, you're gonna be presented with that flow here, and you can start a new flow. And our canvas is the main canvas in the middle. You can see it. On the left, you're gonna have all the actions. I'm sorry, I'm getting. Let me close this. All right, so on the left, you're gonna have all the actions, and we divide the actions by triggers, basic actions, control actions, and premium actions. So every flow has to start with a trigger. So you can either have an inbound call or an inbound SMS, inbound API. Is this keep sounding? One second. So once you have a trigger, you can start working on that flow. For example, on this one, language translation, we have where an inbound SMS comes in. Then we have our action where it says the detect language. So every time you put an action and the action creates new variables, all the variables are going to show here on the left side. The left side is more informational side. You're going to have all the variables where you can drag and drop variables to the boxes and everything. So, I mean, this is a very simple one. An inbound SMS comes in. We detect the language of the SMS. And this is going to give you, if we couldn't understand what it was, uh, then this detect language is going to give you ES for Spanish, EN for English, and then you can translate whatever language it is to whatever language you want, right? On a quick overview on all the actions that we have, we can dial, transfer, play audio. In play audio, we have our speech to text, and you can have different type of vendors, IBM, Google, or Amazon Web Services, with all the type of voices that each vendor provides. And whatever you put in here, we're gonna put it. This is a message, right? But if you have an inbound call, you can play any audio here, and that audio is gonna be on the call. Uh, Collect DTMF, that's also for audio calls. So when you have an audio call and you ask, please put your account number, you can collect it here. You can put all how many digits you want, and if you want a termination key. Uh, WhatsApp send and WhatsApp receive, we did not enable WhatsApp number to the TADHack account, but this is an option that you guys can have. Facebook messages, you guys can add this to your TADHack account. You just have to have a Facebook account or business that you can tag it in. You can create a fake business and tag it into here. So you can actually uh, chat on Facebook and modify that message or connect that Facebook chat with a bot or however you guys want. Um, and well, you guys can check all this. We have our resources that explains every actions that we have with every single one. We also, in every action we have here on the left, we have an information tab that tells you sometimes what the action has. And you can check that out there too. Um, one of the main actions that you guys can check here is external web call, right? An external web call is how you connect a call to any third-party application, because we can use a JSON, post, patch, put, get, and you can basically, you can have a call and then go and dip into a database, into a CRM, and get information from that number and come back and respond back saying, hello, Nelson, hello, everybody. So this is one of the main actions you guys probably gonna want to use the most. Uh, on our premium actions, most of these premium actions are involved with IBM. We have Watson Assistant, translate, detect language, tonality, sentiment, speech recognitions. All these use IBM, and we already set up. You don't have to have an IBM account to have this. If you want to implement a Watson Assistant, you do need an IBM account and a bot here. And with those 3 boxes, you can have the enable a bot, right, via SMS or voice. So once you're done with this, a flow that you want to activate and make it working, let's say you put a name here. Let's change the name of this flow. TADHack. Save and deploy. So once you deploy the flow, you have to go to your dashboard and to your number tab, go to your phone number. Now, we enable 20 numbers for TADHack, and we're gonna give each group a number so they can have their own number where they can, it could be SMS or voice. So once you have your number here assigned, you can go to the Manage tab and select flow. That's the flow that I created, TADHack. And once I assign it here, that flow, you can text into that flow and everything's gonna work, right? So you can text to this number that is here. So you can text to this number any message in something that is not English or in English, and it will text you back the translation. Let me see what else. You can have an audio library. You guys can upload something if you guys want to play some type of audio. Something else that I wanted to tell you guys, we created a TADHack Slack. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can join in. This is the name and the join link, or you can always email us to my email or Cora's, and we're here to help you guys. If you guys have any other questions, you can let us know. We also attach a bunch of resources, and the best way to know our product is getting in and start playing with it. The learning curve is really fast once you understand the product, that dragging and dropping stuff in the canvas and making it work. You guys will get it super fast. and the best resources you can get is in our website. You can go intelepeer.com in the search bar, search whatever you want, and you're probably gonna have some documentation about it. And if you don't get anything there, you can always go to the Slack and email us, and we'll get back to you guys. I don't know if Cora is still on. If
Yep,
Cora has
yep.
something else to add.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I was trying to shout my name earlier. Nelson, amazing. I think you went through the platform and you kind of went through all the details. The Slack channel right now is going to be probably like your best route here. You're going to get us instantly. We're both going to be on. We have the whole Intelepeer support group also with us, so that, you know, on the back end, if we need to address, we have a system, we have a channel within the Slack channel that is called Get Numbers. So that's going to be your way of, hey, I want to see how I can get an SMS or a voice call, or you want a number assigned. That's where you would just let us know via the Slack channel. We have that Get Number tab. The other thing also is you want to see some use cases. You want to get ideas. The platform is super powerful, and we have really cool integrations, and we have really cool flows already built. Definitely go into the intelepeer.com use cases, some documentation. Some of the links on there are really, really helpful on slide number 8, which you could really show you how it's built, and it actually shows you the build out of some of these awesome flows. There's a tab on the smart flow. Nelson, I don't know if you mentioned that on the actual portal. There's a tab where it says template, and we added a couple of like cool templates already built just to kind of get you started. Yeah, you can customize them. So yeah, like on the right hand side, yep, you could just do template. You want like a little quick, you know, call in survey, or you want, yep, you select it, boom, it's already filled. We made sure we added those features for you. And at this point, if you have any questions with the flow, we're welcome to, again, Slack is going to be the best way. Use email last resource, because I think of back and forth, we might lose some instancy there, but I think Slack is going to be your best route. If you have any questions, for sure, we're here.
Excellent. That was great. Thank you so much.